Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm decorating my planner for the week. We're into October, so I'm going to be doing all Halloween spreads. The first one up is from Allure. This is a sticker book from Live Love Posh if you're interested in purchasing it, because it's got great fall, some Halloween stickers in here. It is currently available, and I also have a discount code if you would like to purchase and get a little discount. That's down in the description. But yeah, my affiliate link is down in the description. There's boxes, quotes, and all the decorative stickers. That's why I love these kind of books, because it's like all in one in here. And this one is so cute. I've been saving this one to use in my planner, and I'm excited because it's got that fun like pink and black color scheme with some orange. We got some cute little scenes. I love these like layered boxes. I think those are cool. I love the balloons and the bats. So I'm going to use these, and then I have some boxes that I can pull in. I'm also going to pull in some black boxes from Mojo Jojo plans because I don't have any black boxes in here and I feel like I need black. And then I have quotes. So yeah, I have a lot of good stickers in here that I can use. I'm going to pull my pages out so I can start planning or decorating. Okay. So I'm going to first start with the decorative stickers. Actually, I'm going to pull them out. This just makes things a little bit easier. And there are 2 sheets of these stickers in here, so I'm just going to grab the ones that are different. Okay, I'm going to first start off with this really cute corner piece. So, take this one off. I love the little ghost. Super adorable. So this one's going to go in the corner, of course. Right here. Okay, cute. And then I have this piece. It's like a little party in my planner, I guess. That's the theme. This will go here. All right, so that's kind of the start. And then I do have a couple of these fun layered boxes. So I think I'm gonna put this one over here because I don't want the ghosts like on each side of the page the same. So I'll put the ghost one here. So I'm gonna get these all on the spread. And then I'll put this boo one. Yeah, it definitely looks like a little party, which I'm totally here for. So cute. I actually have Friday off, so I'll use this box to note that here. But yeah, adorable. Then I have these balloons. We'll put another little ghost on the page. They're different ghosts, that's okay. And then I want to put some little pumpkins. Actually, let me cut the bottom. I always feel like the white is too much sometimes, so I want to cut that off. Put that here, just layer that on top. Okay. Tuesdays are not as busy for me, so if I cover that up, it's fine. And then I really like these little frames. These are cute. I'm just gonna put a little framed photo here in the middle. And another framed photo over here with a bat. Sort of bat with it, just so it's not like hanging out on its own. Okay, cute. I'm gonna start putting down some decorative stuff, or not decorative, been doing that, functional stuff. Okay, black boxes. Oh, and also I have pink boxes in here, but I think I want a double box. I have a pretty busy weekend, not like plan wise, I'm going to be busy, I know. So I want a double box. I don't have the ones without lines. Hold on, let me check my other book, because I kind of want the ones without lines. If I have it. I don't think I will, because I tend to use those. I probably have them somewhere else. I just don't want to go look for them. So that's okay. I'll just grab this one. It's fine. I just have to make sure to put a lined box on this side just to make it a little cohesive. Okay, so this one's gonna go here. And then I'm gonna put a pink box with it. I'll just layer a pink box. So this spread I feel is gonna come together pretty quickly, which is nice. I'm gonna do this lighter pink. in the corner. It's a little crooked. Okay, that works there. And then I want something decorative wise here. All right, so I got this cute little cluster. I'm kind of stick it on top, but I think I need to cut the bottom again. I just want to cut the white off. It's got like candlesticks, little ghost candlesticks, and then a witch hat. I think that's cute. I feel like the white's not popping the way I want it to. Let me try something else. It's not like popping the way I wanted it to pop right there. So let's do, I'm gonna do more bats. You know what, I'll do this little plate of goodies, these little treats in the corner. Okay, I'll hold up on that one. All right, I'm gonna add in more boxes. So, well, I also have headers, so I'm gonna do a task one over here. This is like weekend tasks, basically. And then I'm gonna do a pink box. I need a box for here. Let's see. I'm probably not gonna use the girls because I prefer just the cutesy stuff, to be honest. Oh, washi. Let me bring in some washi. So I have a bunch of black and white washi. I'm thinking I want this stripe and maybe these bows. I usually don't like the bows, but I think the bows might work. We'll see. I don't know. Might work. We'll see. So I'm going to put a little bit here. Just a little bit here. And then a lot of it here. I love this washi. This is from Live Love Posh too, and the like black and white collection, I believe. It's the perfect size, nice little, perfect little thin black stripe, which I love. It reminds me of an old Happy Planner washi that I used to use a lot. I stocked up on it, and they don't have it anymore, but that was my favorite washi. And then I kind of want to add, okay, the bows. Let's do the bows. Maybe I can double stack these. We'll see how that looks. I haven't done that in a bit. I'm sure somebody will tell me this, that doesn't work. People like to tell me things like that, so. I think it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. I think it's cute. All right, so I like it on the bottom versus the top, so. Yeah, it helps to bring black in the spread a little bit more, which I like. And then I'll put it over here, kind of the same position. Yeah, I like that. I don't know, I might add in another washi because I feel like these spreads I can go a little bit like, could be a little different, adding more washi around the spread. I might do that actually. Just a little bit here. Okay, and then I have this fun one. So like, I feel like maybe here. Let's see how it looks here. Maybe just a little bit here and there. I feel like with this one a little bit will go a long way. So I don't have to put it everywhere, but I like the pattern and I think it's fun. So why not? Okay. I like that. That looks good. Washi's good. Washi's done. All right, now it's back to what I want to do for the sidebar. So I think I want to just do a pink box over here. Oh, let me wipe this up first. I'm gonna go down the page here. No, not that low. I think this should be higher. I don't know. Hold on. So I want to add these. I forgot. Let me do this first. This part should be done first. All right, so these are gonna go here. Kind of just hanging out there. And then I can put the box, I think. Oh my goodness, it's so crooked. Hold on. Let me do that a little straighter. Why is it so crooked? I'm trying to follow the lines and it's not working for me. Okay. Okay, that looks better. All right, so that works. And then I could put something here. I really like this cake. Cake is cute. Again, cutting off the white a little bit. Putting this on top. Okay. I need another black box over here. So I'm gonna do this one here. And then like a little one. I'll do a little one over here. Just to get that black a little bit more around the spread. And then I want more pink boxes over here, if I can fit them. We shall see. You know what? I feel like I should do like this color. Is this same color? Yeah. I might have to change. I'm gonna just cover this one up because I feel like it should be this bright pink. Okay, yeah. It's very full, but I like it. And then I want to add in the bats because the bats are super cute. They're like little balloon bats, which are really adorable. I like bats, especially when they're not like creepy looking bats. Actually, no, I like the creepy ones too for Halloween. I think those are fine. Okay, let me do one over here. Lots of bats. And then I can do... Is that my last one? Oh no. Feel like... No, that's fine. Okay, and then what else can I add? I have a boo, but I have a boo here. Let's see how this looks here. Just kind of make it fun over here. All right, quotes. And then I'm gonna do bullet points. But first quotes. Just see what I can fit. And it's gonna be Halloween themed quotes. So, okay, I got trick or treat. I can do that one. Okay, sorry, I thought I wasn't filming anymore. I got scared. Oh my goodness. It's been stressing me out recently because my phone has been shutting off on me. But it usually makes a noise before it does it, so. But sometimes I'm like, did I film? Did I start it? Because it's not good. It's not good if I didn't. I have squad goals. That's the only other one. Squad goals. Oh my goodness. It's very full, but I like it. Yeah, I think this though, maybe over here. Yeah, okay. I need something for here because it looks a lot empty, so I'm gonna grab, but you know what? I'll do bullet points. I'll do these bullet points. So, I really put a lot of boxes on this side. You know what? I need another black box. That's what I need. Let me do another black box, just a little one. Do one here. And then bullet points. I'm gonna go with the light pink color. Oh, and I added a header here, so I feel like I should add a header on the other side, just to be a little like cohesive. Oh, and I was supposed to add another box, like a lined one, but that didn't happen, so that's okay. That's fine. It is what it is. Sometimes I forget. That's okay. Put one here. Oops. Okay, I'm a little jam-packed with stuff, but I think it's cute though. I have a spider. Oh, I got lots of spiders. I'll just add some spiders. Why not? Spiders are kind of cute. In your planner, only on your planner. There's these little ghosties. Okay. I really like it. So, yeah, it's really cute. Was that the last thing I wanted to do? Oh, a header. Just one more. We're just gonna add a header because, yeah, I think it needs a header. So, where am I gonna put it though? I have a to-do. Could do it here. Just layer it here. All right, and I think with that, I'm done. It's a nice full spread, but I really love these stickers. They're super adorable, so I wanted to get as much as I could on here, and I think I did that. I think I got as much as I possibly can get on this spread, but still have it be functional for what I need for the week. So that is gonna be it for this video. Again, this is Autumn Allure sticker book from Live Love Posh. Of course, can't forget the lovely boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans, because those come in handy all the time. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.